Hi, I'm Heather Wedding with Airrosti, and today we're going to talk about a few tips to get you warmed up for your next run. Warming up before a run is important because it gradually increases your heart rate, blood flow, and improves your flexibility, which helps prevent injuries. This is especially important for your longer runs. For this warm-up, we're going to do an inchworm. You can do 2 sets of 10 of these. You're going to start with your legs straight, and you can bend your knees a little bit if you're a little tight in the back side of your legs. You're going to walk your arms out into a plank, making sure you don't arch in the low back, and then walk back towards the hands to the start position as you squeeze your glutes to stand. Now, as you do this, you want to try to keep the knees as straight as you can so you can warm up the back side of your thighs, and then remembering to squeeze the glutes as you stand. For this warm-up, we're going to do a front lunge twist. You can do 2 sets of 10. You're going to step out into a lunge position, twist to the side of the leg that's up, and then activate the glute and push off to come back to the start position. Now, as you do this, you want to make sure your knee doesn't go over your toe, and you're also twisting as far as you can comfortably, squeezing the glute as you come up, and you're going to feel this stretch throughout the spine and also the glute. For this warm-up, we're going to do hip openers. You'll be by a stable surface, and you're going to do 2 sets of 10 each side. You'll start with one leg coming out and around towards the back, and as you're doing this, each repetition, you'll find that you go a little bit further in your range. And then we're going to take the leg and come forward. And you're going to repeat this on both sides. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, if you have any ideas for any sports or activities you'd like to see in the next video, let us know in the comments below. See you next time.